I now call upon Sri E.C. Alex and Srimati Maria Philomena Alex to kindly occupy the seats.
A very good morning to you all. Success and relation never depend on the capability of your brain, but they always depend on the greatness of your behavior and thoughts. Today I have the privilege of presenting Mrs. Evans Charles Alex. He was born in Jalna, Maharashtra on 12 September 1945. His parents are Mr. John Patrick Alex and Mrs. Margaret Alex. He had his early education in convent schools of Brahmavar and Kalyanpur. Later, he had his college education at St. Philomena College, Puttur, with major in commerce. He married to Mrs. Maria Philomena on 27 November 1973. He is blessed with 3 children, 2 daughters and a son. All are happily settled. He is also blessed with 7 grandchildren. Daughters are in Canada. The eldest is a doctor and another an engineer. And son is an engineer at Bangalore. Now we will have a glance at his career path. He joined Canara Bank in November 1968 as a probationary clerk at MG Road, Secunderabad, and staff number is 6538. On promotion in 1976, he was transferred to Ion Center, Vijayawada, where he worked till 1978. He was in charge of cooperative finance and agricultural societies at Nehru Road, Shimoga from 1978 to 1980. He was lead district manager at Shimoga Divisional Office for 2 years, that is from 1980 to 1982. Then on promotion to manager, he was transferred to Panjim, Goa, where he worked till 1986. In 1986, he opted to work in Staff Training College, Bangalore, and then was transferred to Mangalore to start the Staff Training College in Mangalore in 1986. He worked in STC, Mangalore till 1990. Later, he was promoted as senior manager and transferred to Fazilka, Punjab as branch manager, worked there till 1994. He was transferred to NRI branch Mangalore as branch manager and worked there till 1996 and then transferred to Circle Office Mangalore to head MIPD section and worked there till 1998. He was promoted to Scale 4 in 1998 and transferred to Kalina, Mumbai as the chief manager, worked there and then took SVRS in 2001. Expectation is a gift, not a burden. When people expect something from you, it means you have given them reasons to believe in you. Because of his ability, he was given the opportunity to start Staff Training College in Mangalore in 1986. Mr. E.C. Alex was a leader who led the way to success and had faith in team spirit, and the result is, during his tenure, NRI branch was the best branch. Besides, Mangalore STC was the best STC of the bank for 3 years. This clearly shows he is an achiever and also his dedication to the institution. His hobbies are, he works hard for self-satisfaction and for institution glory, excelled in all places he has worked. His CBROA membership number is 3120. Now, the seniors on the dais, I request them to felicitate them.
Very good. I'll carry. Jeffrey. Now we are going to honor Sri Patrick Coelho, and Nora Lobo will take the mic.
Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a luck. I quote from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this quote applies to all the retired officials gathered here, as we cannot be satisfied with what we have achieved during our stint in our service. We have to achieve the victory in our retired life too, with all the experiences we have gained during our service. This applies to the celebrity of the day, Mr. Patrick Coelho, who, after serving the bank for 25 long years, leading a peaceful life with all the experiences he gained during his service in the bank. Mr. Patrick was born on the 28th day of July 1946 at Bangalore. He graduated Masters in Arts and Masters in Law from Bangalore University. He joined Canara Bank in the year 1969 at Bangalore. Promoted to Scale 1 in 1977, Scale 2 in 1984, and Scale 3 in 1992. He has a vast experience of working in branches as well as administrative offices. He has worked in branches like DeCosta Square Layout, Bangalore, Hampankata, Mangalore, Old Goa, House Cars, New Delhi. He also worked in Head Office, Bangalore, Divisional Office, Panaji, and Disciplinary Action Cell in Circle Office, New Delhi. Mr. Patrick Coelho got married to Mrs. Jacinta in the year 1977. Mrs. Jacinta has worked for Vijaya Bank. She was a student of the University of Mangalore. The couple is blessed with 2 children. Both the children excelled in their respective fields. Daughter Mary Ann is a chartered accountant. The son, Mr. Dilip, he is in Brisbane working for a gold mine. Mr. Patrick has 3 grandchildren. He is now settled in Mangalore. His hobbies are traveling and reading historical materials and writing articles too. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I present you Mr. Patrick Joseph Coelho for the felicitation ceremony.
Sri Jeffrey Crasta. Yeah.
I have the pleasure to present you Mr. Jeffrey Crasta. We have worked together at Valencia branch in the 90s. Jeffrey Crasta, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in presenting you Mr. Jeffrey Crasta, who celebrated his 75th birthday on the 3rd of May this year. Born in Kasargod, Mr. Krasta did his basic education in a government school and joined the Indian Army in Goa at the age of 19 years. I salute you, sir. After his training in wireless and teleprinting at the Corps Signals Army, he was posted in Jammu and Kashmir. He played his vital role in the war in 1965 in Uri sector of Jammu and Kashmir inside the Pakistan territory. And once again in 1971 at Jaisalmer sector near Longewala battle tank. After serving the army for 16 long years, Mr. Krasta joined Canara Bank in the year 1981 as a clerk at Chennai. He became Scale 1 officer in 1983 and later served the bank as Scale 2 too. Mr. Krasta has served in Tamil Nadu at Nazareth branch, in Mangalore at Amimbal, Bandar, Valencia, Hampankatta, Karkala and Balele in Coorg. Mr. Krasta and Mrs. Cynthia Krasta tied the knot on the 2nd of June 1975. The couple is blessed with 2 children. Their daughter, Dr. Priya, is settled in Dubai, and so does son Sean. Mr. Jeffrey Krasta couple has 2 grandchildren. The couple is now settled in Mangalore. Here I present, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jeffrey Krasta for the felicitation ceremony.
Bhai ma'am, bhai sir. Bhai sir.
Next one, right?
Bhai ma'am.
Come. Very moment.
Bhai, bhai sir. Bhai tu, bhai sir, tu, bhai sir. Tu, maxi bhai sir, maxi bhai sir.
Yes.
May I now request our own Sri Bivipai ma'am to please vacate a seat in the second row. He is requested to kindly occupy the seat in the front row. Sri Bivipai and Ashmai.
Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to introduce a person in whose vocabulary there is no word called retirement. He is none other than our beloved Baburai V. Pai. His staff number is 5513 and CBROA membership is 1746. Baburai Vasudev Pai was born on 26 August 1946 to Sri Vasudev Pai and Srimati Sushila Pai at Mangalore. He did his matriculation in BMI School, Mangalore, and graduation from St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. Post-graduation from BM College of Commerce, Pune. He joined Canara Bank at Pune in September 1966. Worked for 35 years in Pune branches and almost 5 years at Mangalore. In the year 1972, he opted for promotion to Scale 1 and declined further promotion due to trade union works. Mr. B.V. Pai got married